Chapter 6: Understanding Students with Communication Disorders. Identifying students with communication disorders. Communication entails receiving, understanding, and expressing information, feelings, and ideas. Although we generally communicate through speech, communication can take place manually using sign language or through gestures, posture, facial expressions, and other nonverbal cues. Communication by spoken or written language, or both, is the cornerstone of teaching and learning. Speech and language disorders. Some terminology. A speech disorder refers to difficulty producing sounds, as well as disorders of voice quality, such as hoarseness, or fluency, such as stuttering. A language disorder entails difficulty receiving, understanding, or formulating ideas and information. A receptive language disorder is characterized by difficulty receiving or understanding information. An expressive language disorder is characterized by difficulty formulating ideas and information. Students from different cultural backgrounds may have a speech or language difference, such as a regional dialect or an accent, which affects their ability to learn, but it may or may not reflect a language or speech disorder. Describing the characteristics of typical development. Speech is the oral expression of language, and language is a structured, shared, rule-governed, symbolic system for communicating. There are 5 components of our language system. 1. Phonology, phonemes or sound units. 2. Morphology, which are morphemes or meaning units. 3. Syntax, rules for forming sentences. 4. Semantics, the meaning of what is expressed. And 5. Pragmatics, use of communication in various contexts. Social interaction theories simply emphasize that communication skills are learned through social interactions, and that language development is the natural outcome of a child's impulse towards social integration and effective social interaction. It's time for a quiz.